We're in a Miami Kasaya Center. All my fans them forward out this weekend, May 22nd, the New Rouge Reggae Fest. Yeah.
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox. How are the latest news them?
People are gonna don't know one Media Fox on up, you know. You see me? Yeah, man. People, big up on yourself. You don't know, like what, 3 days away from the show? You see me? What is it, Friday? Or 2 days? Yeah, 2 days. Cause what, Thursday, Friday. You see me? Yes, so people, we're 2 days away from the show. You see me? So, I don't know what things said. You see me? You don't know, we're getting the tickets. But you don't know the man himself. You don't know him do a video forward out. You see me? Man does a look around and look on greatness. You see it? So getting the tickets. Cause you don't know Friday. It not gonna normal, people. You see me? It not gonna normal. And you don't know if the boss shell down the arena there. You might go Guyana. You see me? Guyana wait for Alkaline. Cause yo, I don't know about never see what go on. You see me? It's about to make. You see it? Cause Alkaline is easy. You see me? Him not try run down the cloud and every little thing and the youth a them thing. You see me? Yeah, man. Him just a them thing. Him just a put in the work, put in the music, every little thing. You see me? Him not try run on the cloud. Him not try do nothing extra in the media for gain attention and a bag of thing. You see me? And for big up the vendor people and for support the thing. You see it? Yeah, man. But Alka go tell them what go on. You see me? Show them what go on, Alka. You see me? Cause them things is a joke thing. Vendetta boss. You see me? Greatness. Shillings are go on. Yeah, man. So check it out. You see it? Yeah, man. Place I go loud, man. Man, I say, look here. The greatness I go do to you on the weekend. I go shake up the place, you know. Alright? Yeah, man. You don't know. Ready. Vendetta people out. People me love dancehall. You know things set already. You see me? I just greatness, man. Just greatness. We big up the vendetta people and for support the artists same way. You see it, cause I know nothing normal, people. May I tell you that. I know nothing normal. You see it, cause right now, our youth alone in a young generation right now, what me can say, alright. Him then a top spot for say, yo, alright. Him have a leader on the genre right now. Me I tell you because I'm a youngest for do it. You see me? Him well focused. You see me? Yeah, him well focused. I'm most quiet in the dancehall history. Artist in the dancehall history right now, Alkaline. The man do the less and him get the most attention. Why does somebody will do less I get some attention? You know understand? The man not forward, the man not use the media for try gain no attention, nothing. The youth just put in the work, put in the music, and him get so much attention. You see me? The youth great. You see it? Everybody a pull up a youth ticket. I say, yo, this not sell off, Ray. You have to be relevant, man. Me I tell the people, but Alkaline I go tell them. You see me? Yeah, man, Alkaline I go tell them what go on, man. You see it?
Yeah, we're out there in a Kasaya Center. All Alkaline fans and support. May 22nd. This weekend. Yeah.
Yeah, man, make them know that, man. Make them know that. You see me? I don't know nothing normal, people. You see it? I don't know nothing normal, because right now, in a dancehall space right now, yo, it's like, when I know, the social media gets so powerful, it's like a lot of people are drifting from the music. I'm not like I'm Alkaline forward where they with the album, dancehall changing, like the music, they like get all of the attention, them and everything. You see me? But I don't know what going on in media right now. I be a craziness, dog. I tell you. You see me? Be a madness. You see it? But you don't know. Weekend, everything will go change. You see me? Yeah, man. Just get on tickets and a bag of thing. I go on. You see it? Yeah, man. I go watch. The youngest and the baddest. Superstar. You see me? Alkaline dancehall artist. You don't know anything set already. You see me? Yeah. Place I go look good and, you know, things I have to do what I have to do. You see it? Yeah, man, it loud, man. As I say, basically, 2 day or 3 day from the show. You see me? So you don't know. Well, you can say Friday. It a go loud. Miami. You see me? New Rules, Reggae Fest. You see it? Yeah man, the people them a go forward out and do them thing, you see me? As I see right here, so the stage not set up yet, so it a go on with the thing. You see me? I guess the stage I got set up the same day. At the same day or the day before. You see me? Roll out. You don't know. One media fax pan up. You see me? But the people them, you don't know anything, so just roll out and support the thing. You see it? Cause sometimes you know I miss the history, you know. You see me? Shows we are did, or music we say. Yeah man, when I depend on a joke thing, man, you see it? Yeah man. But the youth are the great things. You see me? And as the youth say, yo, everything are gonna make sense soon. You see me? Everything are gonna make sense soon. Because social media world can build and break, you know. You see me? When you get too common, you see me? It's like you as an artist, you not supposed to be no vlogger or no. You see me? As an artist, if you go turn vlogger, brother, you have to just put on your music. Because you have vlog, nobody not really focus on your music. You see me? I'm more like you might focus on the content where you give them some drama thing, some visual thing. You see me? That's how Alkaline really do that, dog. Same like some of the international artists, them not on the internet every day, coming out themselves and all of them little thing there. You see me? That's why Alkaline keep him short ram. People always want to see him always on demand. Right now, him have the most show. Like, not even show. He might headline the most show for this year. You understand? Every show he might headline it. You see me? So some of the artists them, I do them thing, but you can know that Alkaline is a man right now. No matter what they want to say, no. You see, because dancehall is not really about internet gimmicks and all of them. Dancehall is about music and representing dancehall. What go on in me then? That's not a representation of dancehall. You understand? That's a representation of them guys. You see it? So right now, Alkaline is a man. Drop him album with you, mash up your place, have everybody attack and this and that. See me? Girl Good, Masterpiece, Graduate, all of them song there. I get it play. But when you reach in the center, I don't see what going on when that drop on. Cause the girl might wait for the Girl Good right now. You see me? Yeah man, so you don't know Alkaline roll out and you know I do them thing and make sure say yo thing govern and thing alright. You see it? Yeah man, so I don't know nothing normal people. People might go roll out. Sure go mad, sick, head no good. You see me? So when I just look out for that I know say yo, it thing nah go normal people. You know so when the vendetta boss touch out, I don't know nothing normal. Cause sometimes when you ain't media too much dog, as me say it can build and break your brother. You see me? It's like you distract people from your music. When you do some madness, it no matter if you promote your music, brother. That promote the music. Visual is more powerful than listening right now. You understand? People prefer watch and see something than listen to it. You see it? That me I tell you. So right now, you think change. You see it? But the media, same way, can make people easily get tired of you. You see me? Because they come like when you watch YouTube and you see all some ads pop up and a bag of thing and you just skip that. Because too often you see it. You know, make no sense. That's why YouTube have a kind of get like a automatical runoff and then you press skip. You see me? And it does pop up and you just press skip. No, they make it run, get a little play first so you can see and then you press skip. You see it? So I saw the social media work after a while. You see me? So you come on out yourself after a while, brother. You know, make no sense, dog. You see me? You know where you are run down. You see me? At the end of the day, as an artist, you do music. You see me? Music you deal with. So if you feel like say you try gain some attention from the media, do some shaggy, brother. You lost this a dog. You see me? That can't help MG. You see me? But that's one of them things there. So people, when you don't know Friday or forward, cause say a center, Alkaline would be live. New rules. You understand? So when you look out for that, Nah go normal, people. Me I tell you that it nah go normal. So just look out for that. You see me? Yeah, man, it a go shot, man. It a go shot, people. You see it? Don't know the boss upon it. Yo, remember, you know? Remember you say, yo, him nah left the game. You see me? I see ball with his basketball in him hand. Just know that. Yeah, man. Everything there. You see it? Artists just a promote him show and a bag of thing. You see it? I just roll out, man. Just roll out. You to do him thing. Easy. Calm and humble. You see it? Just music. If a music you do, just music you do, dog. You see me? You ain't depend on joke thing and all of them little thing there. You see me? Yeah, man. Just go on easy and go and do your thing and, you know, mash up the place and mad up the place. You depend on joke thing, dog. You see me? So people, go get on the tickets. Go get on the tickets. You see it? Because we don't want nobody see show or shell, you know. And then in a comment that about, yo, Jano, I should have did it, I'm sorry, I miss it. Go get your tickets, man. I seen a lot of people that with the Brooklyn show and ball after. I say, yo, we should have did it. You see me? So when I want that this with the Miami one too. When you see a place and mash up and the things that go viral and a bag of thing. You see it? Yeah, man. So get on the tickets and join the moment. You see me? Create on your own moment and memories. You see it? I just simple thing that you just do what you can do and do what you have to do, though. Yeah, man, I just one of them things, man. You see me? But you don't know media facts. You don't know I want dancehall, man. You see it? Yeah, man. A music, we say. No party and girl out thing and no internet meme thing. You see me? Yeah, man. I know you today, so remember say we're there before internet. Remember say we're there before social media, you know. You see it? There when there was no social media. You see it? Social media is just a more thing where, alright, you can promote your thing on a bigger scale and thing, but on something where if you get personal with. You see me? Because you can build and break you. People get tired of you, get common out. People start lose respect for you. I just one of them things that dog. Kind of matter, you know. You see me? People can say, yo, you rate you today and tomorrow. You know? They must say a bag of thing. Yeah, man. When you depend on the media, no matter what you do, you can't please people. If you depend on the media every day, them say them tired of you. Or them scroll past or a bag of thing. You see me? If you not depend on it, they must say, yo, you're too antisocial, yo. Man no promote nothing, dog. Man no do this, man no do that. You can't please the world. I just human that. You see me? So when you see Alkaline forward out now, and I say, yo, Ray, I say it go. You see me? I say it go. Everything happen for a reason. There's a reason with everything. Promotion. You see me? Alkaline doing promotion now and then as an artist. You see it forward out and say, yo, forward this. You see me? And that rate that video. That video was cool. Easy. It just a look on greatness. You see me? Yeah, man, that the youth a look on, man. You see it? Reach far in our business and know say, yo, fight for this and there so. You see me? Make them know that. You see me? Yeah, man. But people, as I say, getting the tickets to know things said, yeah, man, I just one of them thing the people, but you don't know me that fast go to work already. But there, and just I go and easy, I go and bill. You see it? And just I watch the haters, them a crash out in the media and bag of thing. You see me? Because, yo, I'm telling you already, you know, the time and place everything, you know. You see me? Yeah, man, the time and place everything right now. You see it? But you don't know. Look out for Friday. I'm able to get some surprises as well. You see me? You know the Vendetta team. You see me? Carry everybody. You know them go to work already. Them always have something in the magic box. You see me? Yeah, man, so look out, man. It a go loud, man, because the girl good them. The girl them are forward out. Everybody want to hear that song there, you know. The girl them ready. You see me? And the la. So, I don't know what things said, people. I just want media facts on the app. You big up on yourself. As I say, get on the tickets. You see it. Yeah, man, I want media facts on the app, man. You see it. Yeah, man, a mad thing, man. Yeah, man, that is it.
Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. I'm back to say a few things for me to go to work. Now, the few things I want to say is, one, that Alkaline have a new show, It is in Trinidad. So yes. So Trinidad, I think August 22nd Alkaline is gonna be in Trinidad. And if you haven't get your tickets, get your tickets. The upcoming shows is in Miami. That's in May 22nd. Then the 23rd he's gonna be in Guyana. Then after that he's gonna be in Philly June 13. From there I think he's gonna go to maybe Antigua, and then he has Barbados, and you have to go to Jamaica as well for July. So he has a couple shows coming up in the dates. So if you want to know what shows and what dates, you can go on my TikTok page and then you'll get to know. Now the two things I want to address is that for my country, Mr. Ernest Hile, when is Alkaline coming to St. Lucia now? You understand? When Alkaline comes to St. Lucia, I think the St. Lucians would love to see Alkaline. You know, we have some festivals. Carnival is coming. Book demand, book Alkaline for Carnival. Some of the shows. That's what I want to say for now. But about that. But I want to say a few things about something else. Now I want to say, you know what? I am proud to be Vendetta. I am proud to be Vendetta. I am proud to be Vendetta now more than ever in the world. I was always proud, but now even more now. I'm like, yes, I'm on the winning side. I'm on the side that is humble. I'm on the side that's the right side to be on. Because Alkaline stands for discipline. Alkaline is very disciplined. Alkaline have a lot of morals. Alkaline have standard. Alkaline have pride in himself. Alkaline is well put together. His mindset is everything. He's mature. He has everything like a proper branding. He has structure in his life. You understand? He don't let the fame and the money and everything get to him. You can say what you can say about Alkaline. You don't like him. You can say you don't like his character, you don't like his music, you don't like this, you don't like that. A lot of people that don't like Alkaline, they don't like Alkaline because Alkaline is not in the public for them to mind his business and to talk about. Let's be honest. A lot of people that don't like him. You understand? A lot of people don't like him because he holds himself together. He's not everywhere in people's business. You understand? Alkaline don't even gossip about other artists. You never heard Alkaline gossip about other artists or say nothing bad about other artists. They don't like Alkaline. They don't like Alkaline because just he's Alkaline. But you could never say this man said this and this man said that about me or any artist, or bring any artist down or disrespect any artist except for Bounty Killer, because he deserves it. But you can say whatever about this man, but you cannot never say he disrespect and this and that. You can never really judge his character. He always keep his composure. He always keep his mannerism. He always keep himself on a level and a standard. And you can say that about him. You can hate on whatever, but he knows how to keep himself in a certain standard and respect for himself. He know how to balance social media and his life and his business. Alkaline understand the assignments. Remember, Alkaline, we know him as Alkaline in the music world. One Alkaline not in the music world, he is Erlen Bartley. He's two people. Musically, he's Alkaline. What he's at his home chilling, he's Erlen Bartley. Let's be real. So that being said,